welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is Ysay, and if you're new to my channel, I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials, hauls, anything about makeup every Thursday. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest vlog. So for today's vlog, guys, I'm just gonna show you some affordable makeup that I found in the drugstore. So we got a huge one here in my basket. So yes, I'm gonna show it to you guys, and I'll just let you know what I think about this product. And yes, I hope you keep on watching, and please don't forget to like this video. So guys, are you ready for a haul? A drugstore haul? So this is all I got for you guys. I've picked up a lot actually because they're affordable and very good quality drugstore makeup. So first off that I'm gonna show you guys is this one. It is very famous, or lots of people talk about this in the beauty space and in TikTok. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. So my shade is in 120 Vanilla. So this one has a sponge. Oops. And open like this. And it got a sponge and a mirror, so it's great for travel, but I don't like the sponge to use on my face. I usually use the brush. So yes, so far I've been loving this product. I've been testing it, and it gives you a lot of coverage. So yes, it's a very good deal to grab in the drugstore. The next one is I ran out of my e.l.f. putty primer, and I've been loving it, and I've been reaching for it lately. So I grabbed two of it from e.l.f. First is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. This is the Luminous one. And the other one is the Poreless Putty Primer. So this one has 21 grams each. So this is a very good quality putty primer. So I've been loving this. So yes, I restocked and saved myself money. So I grabbed two of it. The next that I'm going to show you guys is this one. The Wet&Wild Mascara. So it says it's a boost volume amplifier. So let's see. I grabbed this because of the pink color of the packaging. Let me open it for you. I hope this is a good one, good product. So yes, I've been wanting to try some of the products from Wet&Wild too as well, and also LA products, but I cannot see LA products here so far. So this is how it looks like. It says it's mega volume. I don't know. Here. And this is... Whoa. Oh. And this is the brush. Very black. And yeah, I can't wait to try this one. And I will tell you guys how it works for me. I hope this is waterproof. Yeah, but I like the packaging. It's pink. The next one that we're gonna show you guys, I've been eyeing some eyeliner lately, and I saw this one that catches my eye. It's from the Hard Candy. It's the colored liquid eyeliner plus lash boost serum. So this is how it looks like. It's all teared up. So I tore the packaging, and this is how the product looks like. I got the shade Like Royalty, 181 Like Royalty, and the liquid money. It's the green. Oh, I should have used it. So this is, look at it, so nice packaging. And you have to, yes, so you just have to pull it. Oh, and this is the felt liner in purple. And this is the product here. And you just have to press it to close. And this is also the green one. So you can shake it, and this is a nice green shade. So let me swatch it for you guys. This is the green, and this is the purple. So very nice metallic finish, which is very good when you do a graphic kind of eyeliner. So I've been looking for this one, and I grab it. The next one that I found is from the Rimmel London. It is the Wonder Ombre Holographic Eyeliner. So this is how it looks like. It says it's gonna be like a purple. So there, but oh, there's two. There's a white and a purple. So let's open it for you guys. Step one, step. so I don't know yet. So let me swatch it for you. This is the blue one. Ooh, look at guys, it's very pigmented and I like the color. And it says this one. Oh, the white one. Oh, so look, it's like a, I thought it's white, but it has a color. It's like a purple. Yeah, it's nice. Can't wait to use this one when I create like a purple kind of look. Yes, we'll do that. And another one. Oops, I'll just have to. Oh, so this one is also from Milani. Sorry, it's a liquid eyeliner. It's the blackest black. This is how it looks like. So I'll open it. This is my first time to try Milani eyeliner, so yeah, I hope this will have a good effect. It says iTech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner in blackest black. Oh, we get a nice felt. I'm just gonna swatch it for you. Oh, it's really black and very nice. Precise felt tip. Yeah, it's extreme fine tip point and easy grip handle for precision application. So yes, I like this one. Oh, look at this. It has this one where you can handle, or you can use as a handle. That's why it says a precision handle. So that's good. Can't wait to try this one. The next stop would be another eyeliner. Oh, yeah. It's another eyeliner from Maybelline. It's the Lusting Drama Matte Automatic Pencil in 900 Rusty Terracotta. This is how it looks like. So let's open it. It's a mechanical eyeliner, terracotta shade. So I'll swatch it for you. I'll just throw it up. So this is the liner. It says it's a lasting drama matte. So it's a matte finish. So just have to twist it and get the product, and I'll swatch it for you guys. Oh gosh, so nice. I love the shade. Good. I want to try this one, so keep on watching. I'll probably use this one in my future videos. The next stop that we're gonna do, I'll just have to clear my table here because it's all messed up. Okay, another product from Hard Candy. It says it's a Baked Blush Duo. This is how it looks like. And it's, yeah, so it's so cute because it's a duo and it comes with a brush. So very good buy. You got two duo baked blush. I'll open it for you and let's swatch it. Oh, so this is the shade. Oops, the brush fell. So this is how it looks like, guys. A nice very pink and peach color, which I like. The shade is Over the Moon. So yes, let's watch this one, the peach one, and we'll see how pigmented or buildable this product is. So this is the one. Let's do it again. So this is a highlight blush. So this is the peach one, and we'll do the pink one. So probably this is a buildable kind of formula. So this is the shade, this one's the peach, and this one's the pink. So nice finish, buildable product, and very affordable from Hard Candy. Okay, and the next one. Another mascara. This is from Essence. They got lots of rave for this mascara. It's the Lush Princess Curl and Volume Mascara. So they've been raving for this, and I can't wait to try this one. So I grabbed one and see the effect, and we'll open it and look at the nice bristle brush applicator. So yes, we'll see how this will work for me. I just hope this is also waterproof because I don't like mascara that is smudging. So I hope, and I will just let you know in the comments down below or the description about how I think about this mascara. So the last two, we have the last two. Oh, there's another one. Last three. So this is from Revlon. It's the Color Stay Concealer in the shade, I cannot find the shade. So this is a concealer, a nice dope applicator. so it's quite lighter. This is great for under eye. It has a very smooth finish, smooth texture formula, nice formula, and it gives you a very nice coverage. So yes, this is a good one. So this, I restocked this one because this is one of my favorite and my go-to concealers. And the next up is from Essence. While I was grabbing the mascara, I saw this one. This is the Coral Me Maybe eyeshadow palette. So this is in a coral shade. It comes with a mirror, and this is the shade, guys. Nice coral shade. You got 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. You can create lots of looks with using this palette, and it's like an everyday palette, or everydayly. You can create everyday look using this palette. So I'll just have to swatch it for you guys. Look at this one. So this one is the first one. So this is the shade, guys. Sorry. So these are the shades in when you swatch it. It has a very good pigmentation, and it's very soft and smooth. And I think it's buildable too as well. But yeah, they have great colors for like everyday look, especially summer is coming. So yes, this is a great buy. Grab this one. Very nice shade. And I've been intrigued to the colors from the Flower Line. This is from a Drew Barrymore. The Flower Line is a Drew Barrymore makeup cosmetics. So I grabbed this one. It's the Petal Play Shadow Quad, because I was liking the color. Oops. So this is the shade, you guys. It is a quad eyeshadow. I've been like playing with this for quite some time now. So I like the shade also. Let me swatch the 4 shades for you. You will see. Look at, sorry about my hands there, my fingers. So maybe we'll swatch this one here. So it is a smooth pigmentation, also a corally kind of shade. So this is the deeper ones. So yes, with this quad you can create like a wearable look and like an everyday look with this one, especially summer is coming. So yes, better grab this one. So yes, this is all I guess for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and yeah, if you do like trying affordable makeup products, go grab it. It's very good. They have good quality and good pigmentation. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you soon. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell, and let me know in the comments below if you like more hauls in this channel, and I'll do it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please be safe, and I'll see you soon. Take care.